Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0522 indicates a malfunction in the rocker arm oil pressure sensor circuit, specifically a low voltage condition. This code is associated with the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor plays a crucial role by detecting the engine oil pressure within the valve pause system, which is vital for optimal engine performance. When there are malfunctions in this system, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, sets this diagnostic trouble code and stores it for later retrieval. Understanding the DTC P0522 is essential for accurate diagnostics and effective troubleshooting. Recognizing this specific error allows technicians to pinpoint the issue within the engine oil pressure system. This slide sets the stage for a comprehensive troubleshooting guide to properly address and resolve this error. In summary, successfully diagnosing and resolving DTC P0522 starts with a clear understanding of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor's role in the engine's performance. By meticulously following the systematic troubleshooting steps laid out, technicians can accurately identify the root cause of the issue and implement the necessary repairs effectively. Emphasizing the importance of yearly checks and regular preventive maintenance can help avoid similar complications down the road. Ensuring optimal engine oil pressure is not only critical for performance, but essential for engine longevity. By adhering to best practices in diagnosis, repair, and maintenance, vehicle owners can enjoy reliable performance from their Honda Accord for years to come. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor is integral to regulating engine oil pressure, as it continuously monitors pressure levels using electrical signals. This sensor is typically found in the valve pause system, a critical area within the engine responsible for managing oil flow. Its main role is to provide the PCM with real-time information about the oil pressure, aiding in efficient engine operation. In cases where the detected voltage from the sensor is below a specified threshold of 0.18 volts for at least 2 seconds, the PCM interprets this as a malfunction and stores the DTC P0522. Excessively low oil pressure can lead to severe engine damage if not addressed promptly. Understanding the position and function of this sensor is essential in diagnosing complications related to oil pressure. Several potential causes may lead to the DTC P0522 being set. Firstly, there might be a short to ground in the rocker arm oil pressure sensor line, which can lead to inaccurate readings. In other cases, an open circuit in the VCC line, which supplies power to the sensor, could also result in sensor malfunction. Another common cause could be the failure of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor itself, indicating it may need replacement. Lastly, a malfunction within the internal circuitry of the PCM might trigger this code, reflecting deeper electronic issues within the vehicle's control systems. Each of these causes could significantly affect engine performance, emphasizing the importance of thorough diagnostics. The DTC P0522 can manifest through various symptoms that indicate potential engine issues. One of the most immediate signs is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, alerting the driver that a diagnostic trouble code has been detected. Additionally, drivers may experience erratic engine performance, which could include stalling, rough idling, or poor acceleration. These issues arise due to inadequate lubrication resulting from improper oil pressure. Furthermore, a decline in fuel efficiency is another common symptom, as the engine may work harder to compensate for the oil pressure irregularities. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in preventing major engine problems. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0522 involves verifying the trouble code using an onboard diagnostic 2 OBD-II scan tool. This helps confirm that the P0522 is present and enables the technician to view any additional stored codes that might assist in diagnostics. Following this, it's crucial to check the engine oil level to ensure it is within the manufacturer's specified range. Low oil levels can cause low oil pressure readings, leading the sensor to trigger the DTC. Additionally, any other active diagnostic trouble codes should be examined, as they may point to related issues that could affect oil pressure. Accurate initial checks set the foundation for effective problem solving. In the second step of troubleshooting, focus shifts to the rocker arm oil pressure sensor itself. The technician should visually inspect the sensor for any signs of damage or corrosion that might affect its operation. Following this inspection, it is crucial to check the associated wiring and connections for any breaks, shorts, or poor connections that could be causing inaccurate signals. These physical inspections are foundational, since loose or damaged wiring can lead to significant issues and failures. Finally, testing the sensor's voltage output becomes essential. If the output falls below the specified threshold of 0.18 volts, this would confirm that the sensor is malfunctioning or that there is an issue elsewhere in the circuit. Testing continuity in the wiring can confirm whether signals are transmitted correctly. The third troubleshooting step necessitates checking the voltage common collector (VCC) line for continuity to ensure it is not open, which would prevent the rocker arm oil pressure sensor from functioning correctly. If continuity is lacking, repairs or replacements may be required to restore the electrical circuit. Next, testing the functionality of the powertrain control module is necessary. The technician should utilize specialized equipment to perform tests that confirm the PCM is processing information as intended. If both the rocker arm oil pressure sensor and VCC line are functioning correctly, yet the DTC persists, this could indicate that the PCM itself is faulty, which would necessitate replacement. This step is integral to confirming that all components involved are in healthy working condition. After completing repairs, final verification is crucial to ensure the DTC P0522 no longer appears. Start by clearing the DTC using the OBD-II scan tool, and then conduct a test drive to observe if the check engine light returns. It is imperative to confirm that the malfunction indicator lamp, or MIL, remains off during the subsequent drive cycles. The technician should also verify the engine oil condition to ensure it meets the necessary standards and that no additional oil-related issues could arise. This final test not only reaffirms that the initial problem has been resolved, but also ensures that the vehicle can operate efficiently moving forward. Proper verification enhances confidence in the repairs conducted and ensures reliability. Preventive maintenance is paramount to avoid encountering DTC P0522 and similar oil pressure issues in the future. Firstly, scheduling regular oil changes in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations is vital, as fresh oil reduces wear and maintains optimal engine performance. Secondly, drivers should habitually monitor oil levels in their vehicle, ensuring they don't fall below optimal ranges, as low oil can create pressure problems. Lastly, periodically inspecting the functionality of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor can preemptively identify potential issues before they escalate. By adhering to a proactive maintenance schedule, vehicle owners can significantly minimize the risk of serious engine problems, enhancing the longevity and performance of their Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.